unboxing. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I will be repotting this massive Philodendron Billietiae, Billy for short. Look at this stunning foliage. So I was recently at Home Depot picking up some, planty things, and I stumbled across this Billietiae, and it was on sale. I had to grab it. It was the last two, so I knew it was a sign for me to, get this plant. Now, I already have a Billietiae, or Billy. This is the baby. I had this for a year now, so when I got it, it was really small. It was like a little plug. It's about the same size as my Philodendron Florida Beauty. But yeah, this is 1 year's worth of growth. And I recently repotted it in a clear container with no drainage and in a chunky mix. Mother, Okay, I just realized that I don't have any clear containers or clear pots for my plant. So I'm gonna head into Daiso, which is a basically like a Dollar Tree but like Asian version. I'm back from the store. Unfortunately, I was not able to find a plastic container big enough for the 6-inch nursery pot that the Billy is in right now. So I went to the thrift store and I settled for this vase here. It's a glass vase. It came with these marbles, which I'm not going to use, but yeah, so I have to settle for this, which I don't mind. It has no drainage, obviously, but I could work with that. And I will show you the soil mixture I use for plants in no drainage, especially, aeroids. And I also found this beautiful vessel here. This looks like a tin can because of the ridges. I don't know, it reminds me of a tin can. What I like about it is the earth tones, the texture, and yeah, I'm excited to see what plant I could pot in here. Yeah, let me grab some food and I'll be back because I need some energy. Rinse the pot here, it's a little dirty. It would be so funny if I just dropped this right now. Okay. These felt feet to the pot so they don't scratch the surface that I place it on. I usually do 3. I just place it. So for the soilless medium that I use, I add Orchid Grow Mix to that, and coconut husk. It looks like that. Mix to that as well. Mosquito bits to keep the gnats away. Diatomaceous earth. I believe this adds nutrients and also pest preventions. And of course some orchid moss or sphagnum moss. Equal parts orchid bark. So I do 2 cups of these, about that much in this cup. And 2 cups of hummus. This is the course. And I just sprinkle a little bit of the diatomaceous earth. About that much. And about a tablespoon of mosquito bits. And a handful of coconut husk. And sphagnum moss. Mix it up. Also added this green moss for aesthetic purposes, but yeah, it adds this green color to the mixture. I like to cut the baby leaves at the bottom here. Miniature grow. I want the plant to focus on all its energy, putting all its energy in the newer leaves. Okay, just clean it up a bit. And take this off. Okay, let's just do this. I'm going to squeeze the pot here. Ooh. Look at that. Roots its I believe that this mixture here is a peat-based mixture, and it's good for the nurseries, but not in the household. So This medium here that the nursery use looks to be like just peat moss, which is good for the greenhouse conditions, but not good for your typical household environment, because this tends to hold on to moisture for way too long and it will cause your roots to rot. So I'm still working on removing the majority of the soil here. I might have to rinse it to get it out because it's stuck in there. Also with peat moss, if you let it dry out completely and then water it again, the soil essentially will become hydrophobic. So I'm just trying to prepare this philodendron, set it up for success. Took majority of the soil off of this root system here. I took some time to check the roots, also pull out any dead roots that were in there. Now it's all clean and ready to be repotted. And just add the mixture in. And I'm not going to be putting this on a moss pole because of space, and also I just wanted to let it grow wild. Okay. Somehow we need to fit all of this in there. I don't want to break the roots. Okay. Let me twist it a little. Maybe that will help. A little twisting doesn't hurt. Okay, and then that fillet. Make sure it gets all in there. Alright, it's been potted up in there in the soilless chunky mixture. Hand pump thing so I could pump and water the plants with this sprayer. I'm just going to spray it down. I should not be doing this near my computer, but I don't know. I'm also going to be cleaning the leaves with a microfiber cloth and some leaf shine. And I'm just gonna wipe down the leaves like this. It will give the leaves a nice shine, and it will clean any hard water stains from before. Isn't it just beautiful? The foliage is what sold me on it, and the orange petiole. I might need to spray the leaf itself. All right, the repotting session is over. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in to this video, and I hope you found some good information or you just had fun. Philodendron Billy or Billietiae. Yeah, I just want to say come back for more future planty mayo. No, this is mayo. Look at him, he's so adorable. So I currently have it on that shelf right there, right below my desk, and it's under a grow light. Like I said before, I'm not going to put it on a moss pole or anything. I'm just gonna let it trail down or grow bonkers.